airflow, nothing flows. Light means air supply, a lifeline at the end of the tunnel for all in underground working environments. Introducing FEMS Monitoring Solutions. Good ventilation and circulation of air is critically important on any facility's health and safety list. Down in the mines for obvious reasons, and up in factories, furnaces, and smelteries where the heat gets high. This solution combats heat stress with modern technology via 2 platinum airflow measurement sensors inside. The FEMS P511 is a breath of fresh air that delivers accurate air velocity measurements over a full specified temperature range in real time. Umoya mfowethu. Makshubile, in an emergency, a strobe light and alarm emits from the device that alerts workers at a staggering 93 decibels. Hey, with no on-site calibration, minimal maintenance, and an 8-hour battery backup, the FEMS P511 makes working a breeze. Reach out to the FEMS range of monitoring solutions to empower your facility today. Precaution is better than cure, and safety doesn't happen by accident. FEMS Monitoring Solutions for minds